right, so at Curlbible, we love to randomly call our first-time customers and just say thank you, that we appreciate you, that you have no idea that your order actually makes a difference. We're not just a regular e-commerce store or beauty line that's trying to like sell a bunch of products. We're a distribution company, which means women from all across the country have legit reached out to us and said, hey, I want to scale my business, I want to grow, I want to get into more women's hands. I believe in myself, but that doesn't necessarily mean I have the resources to do that. So that's our job to help. So I'm gonna go ahead and from Peekskill, New York? Must be like upstate New York or something like that. I'm gonna call Simone Johnson. She just went ahead and purchased some follicle booster. She must be pregnant too. The Glory for Mama Belly Oil, the Glory Thickening Lash and Brow Serum, and some eczema butter. So let's go ahead and give her a call and just say thank you. It should be there. Let's see if she answers. Psych. No one's been answering.
Hello?
Simone?
Yes.
Hey, this is Dana Chanel from Curlbible.
Hi.
Hey, girl, I saw your order come in and then I saw that it just was delivered. I was just calling to say thank you.
Oh, well, thank you for calling.
Girl, you have no idea. I saw that you bought like the follicle booster, some eczema butter. Those are actually products from vendors. And I know that you're personally putting food on the table for through their businesses, and you're just showing them their support, like, you know, after COVID and all that kind of stuff. You know, a lot of people got discouraged, so we just want to say thank you so much. And we're so grateful for your order. Please never stop shopping with Curlbible because your order actually is like really making a difference.
Well, thank you. That's really amazing that you actually call your customers.
Wait, last thing, girl, are you pregnant?
No, I'm not actually.
Oh, so who you bought the belly oil for, or are you just gonna use it on your skin?
No, I bought it for me.
No, I swear, you're gonna love it anyway. Like, it's like the best smelling. It smells like cranberries and peaches, and it feels so good on your skin, so you're gonna absolutely love it. You have no idea how many women actually were just like, so, can I use it even if I'm not pregnant? And you can, so I'm really excited. I hope you love it.
I actually tried it for the first time last night.
Oh, you did? So okay, girl, then stop slipping on the details. Like, what do you think? What do you think about it?
Well, to be honest with you, I'm in the gym right now. That's why I'm like kind of, I guess, slow to speak. But I'm like, but this person called me twice, so I'm like, who is it?
I'm here with some of the girls, and I was like, she probably, man, listen, nobody answered the phones when they got bills to pay, so. But I'm glad. I hope you liked it. Did you think it smelled good? Was it too strong?
No, it smells really good. It's very light, so I like that. But it smells really good. It smells amazing.
Yeah, that was our goal. Like, I hate putting on oils that are just like way too greasy, and you're like, oh my gosh, like, can I even touch anything? So I'm glad you liked it. You finish your workout, do a couple reps for me. You know, I'm struggling in that department right now. I can barely like squat right now. So thank you so much, girl. Have an amazing day, and I can't wait to see your next order. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little note on your account and tell them to throw something, a cute little gift in there for you just to say thank you.
Well, thank you so much, and congratulations on your new baby.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Yay! Someone answered. People have been ignoring us. We gotta check, like, does the phone line say Curlbible, like, when they call?